What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right here is a 2023 BMW 3 Series. 2023 BMW 3 Series. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the trim panel. There's this handle, along with the small one in there as well. And how to take off this busted mirror. Let's get to it, alright? The first thing I want to show you, let me show you guys something. Let's take a look. Alright, this is what I want to show you guys. Open this handle right here. And you guys see that piece right there? You're gonna pop that piece out. Use a flathead screwdriver and you're gonna put it right between the groove, like that, and pop it out. See that? It comes right out. Take it out. See? It comes out. Take it out. Then I want you guys to take the screw from right there. That's a star tip, 5-point. That 5-point is a T27 or T20. See? T20, 5-point. Star tip, just like that. Okay? So it looks like a long tool. And then I want you guys to come underneath here and take that screw from right there. Okay? Take that from there. Alright. Okay guys, go ahead and take that screw out and the one that I just showed you. Take them out. You're going to turn those screws to the left. Turn to the left. That's one. That's two. Use a flathead screwdriver and pry this piece up. That is the lock for the trunk. Pry it out of here. See that? It comes right out, guys. It comes right out. Just put the flathead right between the groove of it and snap it up. Now I want you to take your flathead. You're going to put it right in between the groove of the door, just like that. And you're going to pry the trim panel away from the door towards you. Just like that. Then you can come with your hand. Then it's going to go up with it now. See that? And now you got to take the wires and the plugs loose. First thing first, you got to take the cable for the handle loose. Yeah. Alright, I will show you guys how to lose this thing, okay? I will show you. Now you got that loose, go ahead and unplug the wire. Alright, now, that's how you take it off. Come right off. Now, I will show you how to take this loose and this loose. Take a look. Alright guys, in order to get this piece right loose, right? You guys see that tip right there? That tip right there. Use the flathead and gently, but you don't want to break it. Can you see it? Yeah, right there. You don't want to break it. You want to break it gently. Pry this piece right here away from the door. The trim panel. Gently pry this piece away from the trim panel, and then this piece will come loose. This piece will pop loose. Now, and this one, in order to lose this, guys, there was a black pin right there. With a black pin, broke off on me. Anyways, you're gonna push that black pin in and bring this thing down, and then this thing will come loose. All right, you're gonna push the black pin in, bring this down, and it come loose. That's how you take those two loose. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the mirror. Okay guys, now it's time to take off the mirror. First thing we're gonna do is take this piece off. We're gonna unhook this piece and unhook the tweeter piece. Okay guys, now this thing has 3 screws, guys. 1, 2, and 1 over here on the side. 3 of them. Okay? Unplug this thing first. Unplug that first. Unplug that back piece. You're gonna squeeze these 2 tabs in. You're gonna see 2 tabs. That's 1 tab right there, and another tab right there. Just go and squeeze them in and pull it out. Alright, that guy. That right there, that is in number 12. Number 12. That's what it looks like, guys. That's 1 of them. That's 1, 2. You're gonna hold it. 3. You're gonna hold it and you shake it out of here. I said it. It comes right out. Alright? Let's see you do that. Now let's get the handle on the handle. You're going to take off that handle. Okay guys, now it's time to take off the handle, but before I take off the handle, I need to show you guys the points and how to take it out. Let's take a peek. Guys, this handle has 2 screws, okay? It's 2 screws. It's 1 screw for the handle itself, and there's 1 screw for the lock piece right there. You guys see that lock piece right there? That piece is separate screws. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what those screws are. You can't see it because it's dark, but at least you will have some idea. The first one is right between there, right there. The first one, that's for the one that is beneath the handle. The first screw is right there, and the screw for the handle is straight ahead, right into the hole. You can't miss it. It's a chrome screw all the way right there. The second one is straight ahead, guys. Straight ahead. All right, the one that's straight ahead, you're gonna need a T15, okay? T15 5-point. That's for the one that is straight ahead in the hole down there. Now, the one that is on the side over here, that's on the side right there, get yourself a T25 5-point star tip. You're gonna turn both of those to the left. All right, now stay tuned and watch the work. All right, guys. The first one we're gonna take out. Morning. We're gonna take out the handle first. All right. Remember, this one is a T15. Okay. T15 star tip. All right, now it's in. You're gonna turn it to the left until it stops turning. Turn it all the way to the left until it stops turning. That's it. Stop. Now take it out. Take it out. See, the handle comes right out. Now you go ahead and you unplug it. Now, how do you unplug this thing? Let me show you. You see that tab right there? That small tab? Go ahead and put that tab back and release the wire. The same thing for the top. You're gonna put the tab back and release the wire. That's how you take out the handle section. Now for this piece right here, that's your T25. Remember this one is at an angle. You're gonna turn it all the way. See? Comes out. That's how you guys do that, okay? Comes right out. Now, if I was you guys, go ahead and wrap some tape around this thing and then push it back in the door. That's how you do that, guys, okay? All right. Let's finish now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will get you guys on the next video.